Frame It All Cap Composite Horizontal Fence is made of recycled materials and is built to stand beautiful for over 30 years. A horizontal fence can be installed on a hard surface or in ground with a concrete footing. When installing your Frame It All horizontal fence, begin by measuring out your post locations. Posts should be a maximum of 71 inches from each other on center or shorter if cutting the length of the horizontal boards. For hard surface installation, begin by positioning the fixing post support at your first post location. Use the holes on the fixing post support to mark the concrete and drill 4 inches into the concrete using a masonry drill bit. Fasten all 4 anchor bolts to the fixing post support and hammer them all into the ground, keeping the support as level as possible. Insert the aluminum post onto the fixing post support. Repeat these steps for all posts in your project. For in-ground installation, begin by digging your post hole. When digging out your post hole, make sure to abide by local code requirements for the width and depth of the hole. The diameter of the hole should be a minimum of 12 inches across and 20 inches deep. For post holes with deeper frost lines, the fixing post support can be used with a cut piece of aluminum post to extend the length of the aluminum post. Fill the hole with 3 inches of gravel for drainage. Once the post is positioned in the hole, pour in a fast-setting concrete and dome it around the bottom of the post to prevent water pooling. Repeat this step for all posts in your project. Once the posts are set, install the board stopper in the post channel at your desired height. The position of the board stopper will determine the gap underneath your fence. Slide in the bottom support rail into the channels of the posts so that it rests on top of the board stopper. Insert 12 horizontal boards into the channel of each post for a 6-foot height fence. Insert the top cap rail into the channels and lock it in place using the aluminum post caps. You now have a durable and sustainably made Frame It All fence that is protected by cap coat technology. Every Frame It All fence is backed by a 30-year warranty, so you can be confident that your fence will stand strong and beautiful for a lifetime. For more detailed instructions, refer to our PDF installation guide.